How to stop accepting responses in Google Forms. This tutorial shows you how to close off your form so it no longer accepts new submissions. First, open the Google Forms on your browser. Click on the form you want to manage. From there, tap on the Publish tab at the top of the form. At this point, look for the Accepting Responses toggle near the top of the section. From there, tap on the toggle to switch it off. After that, your form will immediately stop accepting any new responses. In the next step, anyone who tries to open the form link after this will see a message letting them know the form is no longer accepting responses. From there, if you want to customize that message, tap on the toggle again to confirm it is off. Then look for a message option nearby. Once done, type in a custom message you want respondents to see, then tap on Save. Following this, if you want to start accepting responses again later, simply go back to Tab and toggle Accepting Responses back on. From here, this will reopen the form and people will be able to submit responses again using the same link. At this stage, keep in mind that turning off responses does not delete any data already submitted. All previous responses remain saved in the Responses tab. After this, you can still review, analyze, or export all existing responses at any time, even while the form is closed. And that's it. If this guide helped you stop accepting responses in Google Forms, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.